Hi guys, welcome back. Today will be short and sweet. We're going to be talking about Virgin Group Acquisition Corp, stock ticker symbol VGAC. Now, some of you may be familiar with the Virgin Group. They have a 50-year track record of success. You see before you some of their well-known entities that are valued at over $1 billion each. Probably the best known are the airline as well as the mobile phone company. However, Virgin Group has also invested in companies that are not part of their brand. You can see Pinterest, Ring, Slack, Square, TransferWise, and of course Twitter. So they are well known at investing in successful companies and turning their own companies into massive successes. What does VGAC, this special purpose acquisition company, plan to do? They plan to invest in a company that they already have significant expertise from building and operating their successful Virgin businesses. So, should you choose to invest in this SPAC, which has no current target, where might your money land? You can see here that some of Virgin Group's core sectors are travel and leisure, financial services, health and wellness, technology and internet-enabled, music and entertainment, media and mobile, and renewable energy or resource efficiency. This is certainly a diverse group of businesses. You can imagine that any of them could be potential high-growth businesses in the future. Now, interestingly, in their SEC filing, the company states that while they aim to merge with just one business, they do not rule out the possibility of merging with multiple businesses. Now, VGAC, or Virgin Group, filed their SEC paperwork on October 1st. They began selling their stock, Class A stock plus 1/3 of a warrant at $10. On November 23rd, the warrants and the Class A stock separated, and so now one can buy either the stock and 1/3 of a warrant, or just the stock, or a whole warrant. Currently, the stock plus the warrant was going for just a little over $11 a share. The stock minus the 1/3 of the warrant is going for $10.55. And if you're interested in purchasing just the warrant, you're looking at just shy of $2. Now, some of you might not be familiar with warrants. What a warrant allows one to do is purchase a share of a company at a determined price, a predetermined price. In this case, it's $11.50, sometime down the road. Now, the SEC filing states that one cannot renew their warrant for this company earlier than 12 months after the SPAC was formed, so October of 2021, or 3 months after the merger takes place, whichever is later. So you can see that you have to be a little patient if you want to exercise your warrant option and hope that the stock price is above $11.50 plus the cost of your warrant when you choose to exercise that option. Now, important to know, if you choose to purchase the warrant plus the 1/3 option, you cannot exercise 1/3 of an option. You have to have a whole option. So if you're going to purchase VGACU, you need to buy at least 3 shares or buy them in multiples of 3. Also, interestingly, if you look at the curves of the warrant and the curve of the stock, you will see that the warrant is actually increasing at a higher percentage than the stock. They're both up, around $1, give or take, but the percentage of increase for the warrant is obviously much more. So as long as the share price is above $11.50 plus the cost of the warrant, when you choose to exercise that warrant, you can see how you can actually make more money if you play it right and are lucky, or the business that you choose obviously is a good one. You can actually make more money sometimes by purchasing warrants. Now, obviously, if the share price is less than $11.50 plus the cost of the warrant, you stand to lose some money as well. So it can be a little bit of a gamble, but there's just kind of a short explanation about warrants. Now, I am not a licensed stockbroker, so don't just take my word for this company. Do a little bit of your own homework, as always, and then decide whether it's worth it for you. I have bought some of both the VGAC as well as the VGACU. I haven't purchased any warrants yet. I kind of see this as like getting a present and then waiting to open it. You buy this stock and then you sort of wait to see, well, what will I actually get from it? Give it some thought and decide for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, well, give us a thumbs up, and we certainly would love to have you as a subscriber. Until then, I will talk to you later.